Spring break is over. It's good to be back in New York. Today I'm gonna go check out another park in the Bronx. That was so dumb. I always go downtown. And I'm in a hurry today, so I ran and got on the downtown train. As soon as I got on, I was like, oh, I need to go uptown today. So I had to go one stop, get off, cross the street, get on the uptown side. It's because I'm in a hurry, so this is gonna waste a few more minutes of my time. 30 minutes later, I'm back where I started. Here we go. One more stop. Once again, I'm on a subway car all by myself because I'm almost at the end of the line. When I find myself on these cars all by myself, I try to do all the things that you want to do that you don't want anyone to see you do, like walk around and get all different shots and film different things. And I don't think I need to tell you that though. Today I'm in Pelham Bay Park, which is the end of the line for the 6. I figured it'd be easy to just hop on the 6, take it all the way up, check out the park, head back. I didn't really have any expectations for this. I had no idea what I was stepping into. Right away, it seems a little underwhelming, but we'll go check out along the water and the beach area. That'll probably be a lot nicer. However, right off, we got bathrooms, and I appreciate it. Here we go. They're on this side. Pretty clean. Can't complain a whole lot. You can see that spring is starting to spring a little bit. That's nice. So today is eclipse day, but that's happening later on this afternoon. I'll already have the kids at that point. I'm interested to see what we see here in New York. It's not supposed to be total, but it's supposed to be pretty good anyway. Who knows? This is the Bronx Victory Memorial, which was built after World War I to honor all the servicemen from the Bronx who had served. Since it was built after World War I presume it was meant to honor the World War I veterans who had served, but maybe it honors everybody now? I don't know. But that's it. It's pretty impressive in person. It's tall. Apparently it's potentially dangerous right now. Something built a massive nest up on top of that statue. Maybe that's why it's dangerous right now. Look at this tree. This is beautiful. From a distance I thought it was cherry blossoms, but it's not cherry blossoms. I don't really know plants that well, so I'm not sure what it is, but it's nice. I just zoomed in to get a shot of the statue on top of that. I love everything about this new camera. It looks great, but the zoom is terrible. When you zoom in on stuff, it just looks bad. So I want to try not to zoom in on things as much as I can from now on. Everything about the picture quality otherwise is amazing. I'm going where I think I need to go. In all honesty, I don't really understand the layout of this park very well yet, but hopefully we'll find some interesting things to see. I'm pretty sure that's not where you're supposed to return your city bikes. Maybe I'm wrong though. See, this is where now I'm not sure if I'm going the right way. I think there's something over there to see, but it kind of feels like I'm getting on the highway. I don't know. I turned around. I might be able to find something up there, but it looks like a long walk. I don't actually have a whole lot of time today. This appears to be a closed landfill, but on the map, they make it look like part of the park. The razor wire at the top of the fence makes me think otherwise. All right, well, I'm back in the park. I'll go that way instead. I think I have a better chance of getting over to the bay over there. Here's an off trail now. I don't think I'm gonna go back there today. Not wearing the right shoes, it's kind of muddy. And it looks like there's a guy back there changing his clothes or something like that. So, this way. I made a turn back through the woods. This is pretty. This is pretty. I like this. I think we're coming up to the bay over here. Now it looks like a parking lot over there. That's not what I expected. Try to keep going that way. I looked at the map. I started to slowly turn the wrong way. I gotta head back over there. The trails just kind of do circles and it's interesting. There's some fields back this way and a dog running at me right now. There he is. Anyway, fields back over there, fields over here. It looks like they're putting out new turf. Planes flying overhead. LaGuardia is right over there. Dog run. Now I see real water. I found the right way. Another ball field. This is what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. I'm not sure what I'm looking at yet. I gotta go over and try to figure out where we are. This is kind of amazing. I can't believe I just took what should have been a 45-minute subway ride, and now I'm in a place that looks like the coast of New England. It's beautiful. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's some clues that you're still in New York, some trash on the ground, some people hiding in the bushes over there. But there's another guy fishing. It's beautiful. I can just see the corner of what I think is the Whitestone Bridge right over there, so I think I know where I am geographically. This is a really nice little bay. Some sailboats sitting over there. It's nice. And that's the old landfill. Yeah, there's razor wire on this side of it too. That being the case with the landfill over there, I'm not sure how much further I can go that way. I guess I'll find out and then head back. What a great place to come and sit by the water though. There's like one guy on the other side of the razor wire over there in the landfill. I can't figure out what he's doing. He's just walking around. He doesn't look like he's wearing work clothes, so not sure he works there, but it really doesn't look like that's the place you're supposed to be, given the razor wire. Curious. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. I just wonder about such things. All right, the trail that goes that way looks like it just walks along the landfill razor wire and cuts around that way. And there's a guy over there that is just kind of hanging out. So I'm gonna go back this way, the way I came, and start to head back to the subway. This is so nice, I don't want to leave, but I gotta get back. I really like this old wall. I'm not sure what it's in front of. It was a service facility up here, but you can just walk around the side of the wall. And I think there's a gate up here that's just open. But anyway, it's nice. It's old. Nice wall. All right, full circle. Back by the bathroom. Head back over the bridge to the subway. Playground over there. I'm sure there are a few corners I didn't get to off in that direction. Lots of fields I didn't see. Overall, just a nice open space. Nice park. Back up to the east side. Another nice little park. Good little trip. If you like what I'm doing here, if you enjoy these little trips, please be sure to tell your friends. And be sure to subscribe. It helps me more than you know. See you next time.